Okay, for today, we will have to discuss rather the inscribe angle. So kapag last time we discussed about the central angle, they are related, but ang difference lang nila is yung the vertex nila. So inscribe the central angle, just as the review, ang vertex na ay nasa center of the circle, while the inscribe angle is an in a circle is formed by two chords that have the common endpoints on the circle. So the common endpoint is the vertex of the angle. So in this case, yung last time, yung ating central angle, ang kanyang vertex ay nandito sa center, which formed by two radii or dalawang radius. And now yung inscribe naman ngayon ay ang kanyang vertex ay nandito sa any point on the circle. So binubuo siya ng dalawang chord. So ito isa at ito yung isa. So we can have the segment AB at segment BC. Then the vertex or the angle or the vertex is the B, and the angle that form or the inscribed angle na tinatawag natin dito is we have the angle A, B, and C. So the B is the middle letter, which refer to the angle, or we can write this as angle B. Okay? So ayan po yung inscribed angle. Okay. We have here the illustration na inscribed angle at saka not inscribed angle. So in the number 1, this is number 1. In the number 1, this is inscribed kasi the vertex formed here on the circle. While yung number 2 is not inscribed kasi yung vertex nga ay lumampas doon sa circle. Then number 3, this is not inscribed, although yung vertex niya ay nandito sa circle, on the circle, but the definition of the inscribed, it's formed by two chords. So, formed by two chords. So, yung chord natin, isa lang, ito yung isang chord, while ito, we call this as a tangent line. So, we can consider that this is a inscribed angle, although yung kanyang vertex ay nandito kasi yung isa ay chord, yung isa ay tangent. So, for the number 3. Question? For the definition of the inscribed, again, inscribed, yung kanyang vertex dapat ay nasa circle, on the circle. Hindi lalampas at hindi din and yung kanyang rays, it should be two chords. Okay, so we have here the inscribed angle theorem. So the inscribed angle theorem, the measure of an inscribed angle is 1/2 the measure of its intercepted arc. Again, intercepted arc is yung nandun sa harapan niya. So it's stated that 1/2 the measure of intercepted arc. So ibig sabihin, we have here the angle A. Ito yung kanyang vertex. So we can consider this as the measure of angle A or angle A. So is equal to 1/2. Ano yung intercepted arc? Yung nasa harap ng letter A. Diba ito yun? Ito yung nasa harap ng letter A, which is arc BC. Ito yun. So, ibig sabihin, 1/2 the measure of the arc BC. Now, if this is 30, if your arc BC is 30, what will be angle A? Anyone? Yes, Anton.
15 po.
Okay, so that is 15. So this is 15. So the measure of angle A is equal to 15 kasi 1/2 of 30 is 15. So yun po yan. Next, we have the intercepted arc is twice the measure of any inscribed angle whose side passes through the endpoints of the arc. So we have the BC is equal to the measure of twice the measure of the angle A. So in this case, kung ito ay 15, kung sabi dito, ito ay 15 degrees, twice daw yung nasa labas. Kung 15 siya, 2 times 2 mo, so magiging 30. Kung nasa labas naman siya at kung nahanap yung nasa loob, divide mo sa 2, kaya magiging 15. Okay po ba? So, yan po yung pagkakaiba ng dalawa. They are related. Pag sa loob, kalahati. Pag sa labas, twice. Next, the semicircle theorem. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is right angle. Ano ba yung right angle natin? That is a 90 degrees. So, in a circle O, angles is inscribed in semicircle APB. So, ito yung semicircle APB. So, siya A to E to B. Tapos tumaan siya sa gitna, which is the half of the circle. Ano ba yung kalahati ng circle? This is 180 degrees. Now, ang hinahanap natin is angle ACB. So, ACB. Ito yung hinahanap natin. Now, ano ba yung kalahati ng 180? So, that is a 90 degrees. So, a 90 degrees is equivalent as a right angle. Okay? So, yung nasa harapan ni ACB is APB, which is 180 degrees. So, yung kalahati ni 180, that is a 90 degrees. So, ang tawag sa 90 degrees is a right angle. Okay? Next. Inscribe angle in the same arc theorem. So, nakalagay dito, two or more angles inscribed on the same arc are congruent. Ano ba yung sabihin ng congruent? Kapag sinabi natin congruent, they are equal. So, in circle O, both B and C, so B and C are inscribed in arc AB. So, ano ba yung, ito yung chord ni B. Ayan. Ang endpoints na ay ito at saka ito. While yung C, ang chord niya ay ito at saka ito. Pero ang endpoints ng chord niya ay ito pa din at saka ito. Now, example, meron ka ditong 60. Ano daw yung B? What is the measure of angle B? Anyone? So, B, ito yun. So, kulay. For the letter B, ito siya. Nasa harapan niya ay ano? That is a 60. So, therefore, what will be the measure of angle B? Guess out eh.
30 po.
So, this is a 30 kasi half of the 60 is 30 degrees. Now, meron tayong angle C. Ito naman yung angle C. And nasa harapan niya is also 60 kasi yung endpoints na is A and D. So, therefore, yung angle C mo is also 30 degrees. Kasi pareho sila. Which is stated that here the two or more angles inscribed on the same arc, ang same arc nila is ito, which is the AD. Same arc are congruent. So, kami sinabi natin congruent, they are equal. So, yung B is congruent with C, which is 30 is equal to 30. Okay? Okay, so let's have the example. Example natin dito, in circle O, AB is 20. So, arc AB is 20. So, nakalagay dito, ito daw yung 20. Yan. AB is 20. Yan. Next, BC is 150. BC, simula dito hanggang dito, is 150. 150 degrees. Now, yung B to D, yung ating segment na B to D, ay isang semicircle or isang diameter. So, therefore, nakabuo siya ng semicircle. This is 120. So, 120 plus 60, this will be a 180. Tapos, itong kabila, 150 plus 30, this is also 180. So, we have to make sure na isang circle ay 360. So, 120 plus 60 plus 30 plus 150, the answer will be 360. Hindi siya lalabes, hindi siya uulang. It should be 360 yung arc. Kaya remember that. Now, let's identify the measure of the angle 1. Ano ba yung nasa harapan ng angle 1? Ito yung angle 1 natin. which is yung kanyang chord nag-e-end siya dito sa C at nag-e-end siya dito sa D. Ano yung nasa harapan niya? That is a 30. Now, what is the possible answer if your arc is 30 for the angle 1? What are lo?
15 po.
Okay, so this is 15 degrees. Now, what will be the angle 2? Ito yung angle 2 natin, which is yung vertex na is andito. Now, ang endpoint ng vertex na, ay ng chord niya rather, is ito rin, the C and the D. So, nakaharap siya dito. What will be the angle 2? Ang buhay
15 po.
Okay, so this is also 15 degrees. Next, angle 3. Saan nakaharap si angle 3? Birahin lang natin ito ng konti. Now, yung angle 3 ay andito. Yung endpoints niya ay papunta dito sa letter B at yung isa ay papunta sa letter A. Now, in short, ano yung nasa harapan ni angle 3? Del mundo.
60 po.
60. So, there, 60. Paano mo nakuha si 60?
Kalahati po ng 120.
Okay, so this is 60 degrees. So, that is the half of the 120. Next, angle 4. Ito yung number 4. Ang endpoints niya ay sa letter B din at saka sa letter A. What will be the answer for the angle 4? Yanson.
30 po.
30? Sure? Ano yung nasa harapan ni angle 4?
Hindi ko po alam.
Okay. Yes, magsino?
60 po.
60 degrees. Now, bakit siya 60 degrees? Ipakita lang natin siya. Ito yung 4 natin. Ito. Yung nasa harapan niya ay ito, which is the B and the A. Yan. Ano yung nasa arc niya? Sa harapan niya ay ito, which is 120. Now, anong kalahati ni 120? That is a 60. Gets na ba? Yanson? Okay. Next, angle 5. Angle 5. Ang angle 5 natin ay ito. Yung isa nito ay nandito. Tapos yung isa ay nandito. So ito at saka ito. Anong nasa harapan niya? Ito. Which is 150. What is angle 5? Vargas.
75 po.
Okay, so this is 75 degrees. Next, angle 6. What kind of angle is angle 6? Is this inscribed or central? Anyone? The angle 6 is here. Ito. So, ang endpoints na ito. Tapos yung isa, dito. Ito yung harapan niya. Angle 6. But can we consider that this is inscribed or central? Anyone? Yes, Poblete.
Central po.
Okay, so this is central angle kasi yung vertex na ay nasa center mismo. So therefore, what will be the answer if the given is central angle? Marius 3. Ay, yes. Jehan ulit.
60 po.
Okay, so this is also 60 degrees. Bakit? Kasi central angle is equal to the measure of its intercepted arc. So, parehas lang sila. Hindi siya mag-half kasi nasa central siya. Next. Nakuha po ba yun? That's our topic last time. Next, we have here the letter G, the BCD. Ito yung B, then C, then D. Ano yung endpoints na? The BCD, ito yung kukunin natin. So, ang endpoints na is letter B at saka letter D. What will be the possible answer for the BCD? Ano yung nasa harapan niya? Dalawa yung nasa harapan niya. Ito, ito, at saka hanggang dito. Kasi BCD. Yun ang nasakop niya. So therefore, what will be the measure of BCD? Mendoza.
90 degrees po.
Okay, so this is 90 degrees. Kasi 120 plus 60 this is 180. Yung kalahati ng 180 is 90 degrees. Okay? The next is the ACD. So, meron tayong A, C, and D. Ito yung endpoints na at saka ito yung endpoints na. So, ano yung mga nasa harapan niya? Dalawa. Simula dito, papunta dito. So, therefore, what will be our angle ABC, the measure of angle ABC? Anyone? De Los Santos?
Po.
Paano mo nakuha si 90?
Yung 120 po at saka po 60.
ADC tayo. ABC. Ito yung kinukuha natin, the letter D. The endpoints are A and C. So, yung sakop ng arc ay simula sa A, papunta sa B, papunta sa C. So, therefore, would like to help. What will be the Yes, Ballester.
135 po.
Paano mo nakuha si 135?
Add po yung 120 plus 150 plus kalahati.
Okay, so you can have add mo siyang 120 plus 150 kasi simula letter A, papunta sa B at saka papunta sa C. Yan yung nasa harap niya eh. So, kaya nagkaroon ka ng 120, add mo kay 150, you will have 270. Then, di-divide mo siya sa 2. Then, you can have 135 plus 10. Then, GFO, dito naman siya. Ito ay 8x plus 20. Now, kung i-ano natin siya, later na yung DOF. So, solve muna natin yung x natin. So, ito yung part ng triangle. So, meron tayo, kung i-ganto natin yung triangle natin. Yeah. Ito yung letter G, which is right angle. Tapos, ito yung letter O. And ito yung letter F. Tingnan natin yung ating triangle. Now, itong part na to, simula dito hanggang dito, this is a diameter. So, therefore, kaya itong part dito, this will be a 90 degrees. Kaya nag-90 degrees siya dyan. Kasi, that is a semicircle, diameter, semicircle. Now, dito sa part na to, itong angle na to, yung dito, at saka yung dito, is a 45 degrees. So, ito ay 45. So, this is also 45 degrees. So, we have to remember na ang isang triangle ay equal sa 180 degrees. So, pag inad natin, ito ay 90. So, 90 plus 45 plus 45, that is a 180 degrees. Now, to find for your x, itong dalawa na to, itong 45 na to, at saka itong 45 na to, we have to add. So, ang tawag dyan is complementary angle. The definition for the complementary angle. So, in able to find for the value of your x, naroon tayo dito ng 7x plus 10 plus 8x plus 20 is equal to 90. So, bakit siya 90? Kasi 45 plus 45 is 90. Now, just, what do you call this? We have to combine like terms. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 7x plus 8x is equal to 90. Transpose natin to 10 at saka 20. So, minus 10 minus 20. So, this is 15x kasi 7 plus 8 is 15 is equal to 90 minus 10 minus 20. So, this is 60. Then, divide both sides by 15. Your x will be 60 divided by 15. So, therefore, this is a 4. So, your x is equal to 4. Now, we are going to find for the value of GOF and DOF. Nasaan ba si DOF? Later. So, GOF muna tayo. So, GOF. So, pumunta dito, GOF. So, in finding for the GOF, angle GOF. Ang GOF natin ay 7x plus 10. Now, in GOF, substitute lang natin yung value ng x niya, which is 4 plus 10. So, saan galing yung 4? Galing siya dito, which is the value of x. So, 7 times 4 is 28 plus 10. Meron ko tayo ng 28 plus 10. This will be 38. So, angle GOF is equal to 38. Okay, the next is we have to, so nasolve na natin itong GOF natin. The next is the DOF. DOF. Tapos, ito. Yun lang natin. So, DOF. Pumunta siya dito. At saka LFO. LFO. For the DOF naman at saka LFO, since parehas sila ng kanilang vertex, which is DF, not really F. So, ang tawag pala dito ay DOF at saka LFO. So, ito tingnan mo din ang kulay. DOF. Tapos, yung isa, LFO. So, parehas siyang nasa endpoints ng diameter. So, if this is case, kung endpoint siya ng diameter, magkakaroon siya ng congruency. So, they are congruent. So, magkakaroon ka dito ng the measure of angle DOF is equal to the measure of angle LFO. Yan. Now, ano ba yung value ng DOF? Ang DOF natin ay 3y minus 12 is equal to LFO natin is 2y minus 3. Yan. Okay. Now, by transpositions or yung combine like terms, ano tayo ng 3y minus 2y is equal to negative 3 plus 12. So, 3y and 2y, this is y, is equal to negative 3 plus 12. Magkakaroon tayo ng positive 9. So, yun yung pagiging value ng y natin. So, we need to find for the DOF. Finding for DOF. So the measure of the angle DOF is equal to 3y minus 12. So the substitute, so magkakaroon tayo ng 3 times 9 minus 12. So this is 27 minus 12. Magkakaroon tayo ng 15. So this is the measure of the DOF. Lang natin ilagay yung isa. So we have the LFO. For the measure of the angle LFO is equal to 2y minus 3. So 2y minus 3 is equal to 2. The value of y is 9 minus 3. So this is 18 minus 3. So 18 minus 3, this will be 15. So the measure of angle LFO is equal to 15.
Excuse me.
Question? Nakuha ba? O sumakit ba yung ulo? Just ask question kung hindi na gets. Okay naman. Okay, ano naman ang question? Okay, next is quadrilateral LOV is inscribed in the circle as shown on the right. Sa right po siya. It's on the right. If angle B is 140, find the measure of the following. Yan. So, nakalagay dito, let's use red. Yan. So, nakalagay dito ay angle V is 140. So, nakalagay dito, this is 140 degrees. Kung angle V daw is 140. Now, ano yung nasa harapan ng angle V? Ano yung endpoint niya? So, meron tayong endpoint na letter O at saka letter E. So, yung chord niya, ito. At saka ito yung isang chord niya. Now, 140. Now, what will be our ELO? Anyone? Yes, less Amon. Yes, Aure.
280 po.
So this is 280. So from here to here, this is 280 degrees. Bakit 280? Kasi twice of 140, 280. Now, ano naman yung measure ng EVO? EVO. Kung may 280 na tayo, what will be the measure of the EVO? Arc EVO. Yes, Mendoza.
80 po.
80. Bakit siya naging 80?
Binawas po sa 360 yung 280.
Okay, that's correct. So this is 80 degrees. So yung yung 360 minus 280. So yung nando sa likod is 80. Now we can now find for the arc ELO. So based on the given E, papunta sa L and O. So this is for the letter A. The answer will be 280 degrees. Hindi sa baba yung kamay, baka mangalay. Okay, next, EVO. EVO, for the letter B, automatically, the answer is also, the answer is 80 degrees. So, yan, kasi nasa likod siya. Now, what will be the measure of angle L for the letter C? Anyone? Kanilang angle L.
40 po.
So, this is 40 degrees. So, bakit siya 40? Kasi nasa labas niya ay 80. So, ang kalahati ng 80 ay 40. Next, for the letter D, we have angle E plus angle O. Yung E natin, angle E at saka angle O. Now, if this is 40, we have to apply that the measure of the quadrilateral angle is what? Anong sum ng measure ng quadrilateral from your grade 9? Sum of the measure. If the triangle is 180, what is quadrilateral? Nakalimutan na si grade 9. Kinalimutan na si grade 9. Yes, Aure.
270 po.
270. Parang kulang naman yun. Quadrilateral, four-sided. Four-sided figure. Yes, Anton.
90 po.
90. Hindi mas mababa siya sa triangle. Diba remember the triangle? Triangle is, ito dito 90. Dito 45. So 45. Kaya 90 plus 45 plus 45 is equal to 180. Now, kung quadrilateral yan, ito yung isa. So, 4 yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, Aure.
360 po.
Okay, so this is 360. So, quadrilateral, four-sided is the sum of the angle is 360. You have to remember na meron siyang pinaka-the best example dyan is the rectangle. Rectangle ba? Yes, rectangle. Kasi rectangle, four-side, or yung kanyang angle, or yung pinaka-corner niya, ang equivalent niya ay laging 90 degrees. So, times 4, that's 360 degrees. So, pag hinati mo siya, yan, nag-grade 9 na tayo. Pag hinati mo siya, magdadalawang triangle yun, di ba? So, yung ito na lang, ayan. Pag pumunta siya dito, magiging ganyan siya. Ito yung 90. So, yung kalahati ng 90, this will be 45. And dito, yung kalahati nito, kasi na-bisect siya, bisected angle, this is also 45. Kaya nagkaroon ka ng 180. So, yun po yun. Yan. Siguro hindi ito na-discuss ng ayos sa inyo nung last year. Hindi nyo natatandaan. Anyway, okay lang yan. So, therefore, going back with our given. So, meron tayo dito. Ito yung isa ay 140. Tapos yung isa ay 40. So, base sa sabi ni Aure, that's 360. So, ang kukunin natin is the measure of angle E plus the measure of angle O. What will be the measure of this, the sum of this measure? Kung meron ka ng 40 and 140, what is the answer? Anyone? This will be? Wala na. Okay, the answer will be, kung meron ka ng 140, so sabi dito, di ba kunwari meron kang A, B, C, and E. So, A plus B plus C plus D. Yung A mo, magiging 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 equals 360 degrees. Kasi apat na inad ko yung 90. Eh, meron ka dito ang given natin. So, ano may given natin na angle dito? Ito ay 140. Tapos ito kanina ay 40 degrees. So, ano ba yung i-add natin? We have here the angle L plus angle O plus angle V plus angle E is equal to 360 degrees. Ano yung measure ng angle V? Ng angle L? Ito ay 40 plus, kinuha natin yung angle O, so O, plus yung V is 140 plus yung E, yun yung kinuha natin, is equal to 360 degrees. Now, by transposition, kakaroon tayo dito ng 360 degrees. Not 300. Ayusin natin. Ito nga sa liba. So, kakaroon tayo dito na by the given, the measure of E. So, letter O plus E is equal to 360 degrees. By transposition, lipat natin to doon. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 40 minus 140. So, O plus E is equal to what? Yes, Ballester.
180 po.
So, this is 180 degrees. So, that is the answer, 180 degrees. Malinaw po ba? Ayan. Yan lang naman yun. So, sa circle, ina-apply natin dito ang topic ng geometry. Sa quadrilateral, triangle, and cut. So, paki-review na lang yung properties niya. Yun po. Okay. The next is the inscribed quadrilateral theorem. Opposite angles of the inscribed quadrilateral, again, quadrilateral is four-sided, are supplementary. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng supplementary? Supplementary is equal to 180 degrees. So, kapag edad natin, that is 180 degrees. Kapag sinabi natin complementary, that is a 90 degrees. Kapag edad natin yung dalawang angle, the sum is 90 degrees. So supplementary is 180 and yan. So ito, we have here the given A, B, C, D. So ito yung angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So kapag edad natin siya, that's equivalent as 360 degrees yung nasa loob. Pero yung circle also is also 360 degrees. Now, angle A and angle C are supplementary angles. And B and D are supplementary angles also. So, A and C, itong A and C, so pag inad natin, A plus C is equal to 180 degrees. And B and T, so B, yung isa, B plus T is also 180 degrees. So, ito yan. So, example niyan, we have find the measure of the missing angle using the figure on the right. So, meron tayong given is A plus B plus 72. So, ito ay 90 degrees. Kasi small box siya, that's 90 degrees. So, we need to find for the angle A and angle B. So, if we're going to use ano yung supplementary dito? So, magkakaroon ka dito ng A plus ano yung supplementary niya, ito at saka ito. So, magkakaroon ng A plus 72 equals 180 degrees. So, by transposition, magkakaroon tayo ng A is equal to 180 minus 72. So, your A is equal to 108 degrees. On the other side, supplementary naman itong B at saka ito. So, magkakaroon tayo ng B plus the value of the small square rather is 90 is equal to 180 degrees. So, magkakaroon tayo ng B is equal to 180 minus 90. So, B is equal to 90 degrees. So, yan po yan.